Why do you have so many marbles?
What could you demonstrate with these? So I know what you're thinking.
What is under that cloth?
Are you thinking the same thing? Under the cloth? Okay. Deuce, you thinking that? Or do you care?
I was asleep again.
Okay.
My eyes open.
Yeah. You fed him too much pizza. Hey, look, the lights are on. Everybody say, welcome to Midnight Science Club.
Hello. Midnight Science Club.
We're here. We're just hanging out. We just had a bunch of pizza. These people are wits. Wizards in training. I'll give you a wizard handshake, okay? Hey, we got it. So we're cool now. I like to challenge people every once in a while, just to think like a scientist, right? Da-da-da-da.
Why do you have so many marbles?
The marbles. What do you think those are? Here, take one of those.
Definitely a giant, heavy metal marble.
Heavy metal marble.
Is it a steel ball bearing?
Steel. It is a ball bearing. It's a steel ball bearing. What could you demonstrate with these?
Light refraction.
Light refraction. Reflection, I guess.
Reflection.
Yeah, light reflection. I did notice one thing that it's kind of neat that I knew. And so here, I want you to hold that piece of paper.
Oh, I know exactly what this is.
Oh, okay. What is it?
You're gonna smash them together and it's gonna create some hole.
Okay. Let me see it. Tristan's gonna take two of them and I'm right with the paper like that. And you're gonna hit it real hard, right? This is good. Oh yeah. He just clicked them together. You see that hole?
Yeah.
You guys try that. Well, you know one thing I noticed? Let me go ahead. Smell that. What do you smell?
A little burnt.
It's burnt. You smell anything?
Smells like burnt.
Burnt. We didn't pop the holes in there. We burnt the holes.
Mm-hmm.
We've got all this mass coming together, and that's a lot of momentum. Mm-hmm. Mass times velocity, and it comes together, then all of a sudden it stops. Where's all that energy go?
It goes from kinetic energy to thermal energy.
Yeah, thermal makes some heat. Now that might be what these were for, was to to demonstrate that. Well, maybe it's for pour those out on here. Where would you use that? And what scientific principle would that demonstrate? If these were molecules.
Yep, that's exactly what I was saying.
Yeah, if those were molecules, would this be a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
That'd be a solid.
If you go from a solid to a liquid, what do you have to do to it?
Spread them out just a little.
Well, how will you spread them out?
You have to heat it.
There you go.
Give them some energy, right?
Yeah.
Would you give it some energy, please? Just kind of shake it a little bit. Liquid. Yeah, I got liquid. How would you make a gas? What would that?
You have to heat it even more.
To get it to bounce out of the pan? Well, let's don't make a gas. There, some of it's evaporating right there. I saw one. Yeah, okay. We don't know what these were for. We need your help. Give us a good idea. What could you do with a big tub of metal? These are pinballs from a pinball machine, I think. I don't know. Well, come up with some ideas and share them with us. It'd be kind of fun. A question for the wizard. You ready? This would be a good country. How do you keep a turkey in suspense?
Not saying it.
I'll tell you tomorrow. What?
I don't think I'm gonna be here tomorrow.
Okay. Never mind. I'm gonna go somewhere and lay down. Everybody say goodbye now.
Bye.
See ya.